Mawlynnong Village. It's the cleanest village in the Asia. There are many tree houses here because there is lots of bamboo. So, let's learn about a tree house. Tell us about this platform. How did you connect these woods?
Okay, the big point. Make this 6 year. 6 year is the small platform. 3 year no people come here. Me try na. Is the 6 year, 7, 8 at the time people you can come here. Me planning the people come here not accident na. Is the now is the big platform. The big platform is
How are these woods connected?
connected is the bamboo with is the 6 year is the bamboo support. Bamboo support is the that side is the hill na hill. Me planning the before more before not accident. Now concrete inside the platform only bamboo. The tile the bed is the bed again na is the every year repairing every year. December all repairing. Is the 3 year no people come here. 11 people. She came here. Come here 6 a.m. You go back 6 p.m. No people. 11 people sit there. Sit.
Is this bamboo?
Bamboo.
This wire?
It's
This wire is also...
cane, bed, है ना, bed, cane है. Yeah, 11 people sit there. Echo, waterfall, tree house, river, sunset. 11 people right later na. Me put symbol. So many people walking the living bridge.
Okay. How many people can be here?
It's average 15 people. 15 people one day.
Okay.
One day. Is stand here. It's okay. 100 people no problem.
Oh, 100 people?
100 people no problem here.
Okay. How much time did it take to make this?
First time 6 year. 3 month. 2 people, 3 people make this. Slowly na. Is the tree house is 2 month. 2 month. The tree house is 2 month. 2, 3 people make this.
How much time?
Huh?
How much time did it take?
Time 3 month, 2 month. My name Drangwal. You? Mudaman.
Yes.
My name Drangwal. Title Khongkram. The village name Nawat. You can see there the Bangladesh. Your Sylhet district. That side Eco Point. Eco Point. You can see the waterfall. The village name Nongsken. Cherrapunji behind. The river name Khasmar. The fall Umleng, Longda, Umkrem, Jashar, Nongsken fall is the.
What are the name of these mountains?
Mountain is the hill Meghalaya.
Okay.
Meghalaya.
Okay. What is behind this mountain?
Behind this mountain is the Cherrapunji. The river name Khasmar river.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. God bless you.